Hello, this tutorial today will teach you about making a simple web page for students or for teachers to set up for any number of things. In this case, we're going to use it for making a reading blog so students or teachers can write about the books they're reading or having a book read to them, their responses to that. And it's an easy way of sharing that with other students or other teachers or who else wants to look at it. So to do that, of course, we're going to go to First Class. I've opened up a site, a First Class account here, and going to show you where you can go first. Everything that we do related to that goes into the folder called Web Publishing, which is here. Sometimes you can see it over here as well. You can click it either way. I'll click on here, and when it opens up, this is the folder it's kept in. To start with, what we want to do is make something called the home page, where everything can go. To do that, we go to File, New, slide across slowly, it's tricky, New, Document Special, and then with something called HCK3 Web Page. When I've got it on there, I'm going to let go. It creates this page here, and the very first thing I want to do, that's the page there, but this is where we do all our work here, is to change its name. And it's very specific in this case. It has to be called Home Page with a capital here, and a space, and then a capital there. After that, what we can do, there's lots of other things to do to go through, and I'll show you afterwards something you can look at to get all the details, but for today it's very simple. We'll just put in here something like this. Some little title. This is the area for the titles of what we're going to do. And again, there's ways you can change a lot of different things with the size of it and where it's aligned and all that. It's something you can play around with a bit. And then after that, just very quickly down in this space is where all of the typing would go that would show up on the page. This is the headings and the features up here. So over here I'm just going to put in as my title, bold it, and then here I can adjust the size of the font that I have. In this case I'll go like this, and then I'll have to change it back. Sometimes it doesn't go back the way you want it. So, and this is where you could have students write This is something where the reading blog could go. To save it, once the student is done, what they can do is go to here and click Save and Close. And then it's closed and saved on here. And of course you could just open it again. If you see this type of thing here, all you need to do is to bring this down and you can see it. Or sometimes what happens is this area too can be moved up and down and students can't find it. Sometimes they say my work's not there, but of course if you can move it you can see it here. Okay, so that's where it would be. It would be saved in here. And then when you go online, once you have the email, the web page address, we can do that and show it to you there.